Huh?
His face is so beat up.
Well, hey, it's almost over.
Come on, Ryan.
Snap, capitalize.
All right. Go after him. There you go. Come on.
Wait for him to step.
That's it. What do you call that?
Shuck.
There you go. Come on, Ryan. Get out of there.
Hands ripping his skate. Rip the skate.
Come on, Ryan. Don't let him push you out. Yeah. Come on, take him down.
Your ties. What?
Come on, Ryan.
He's looking for it.
They're like a comedy team.
Yeah, they are. They go together and act it out. There you go. Come on, Ray. Take him down. Pull him down. Don't let him out.
Finish.
Do it again. Come on, Ryan. Don't let him. What is it? 1-1-1?
That's what they've been doing.
Or 2-1-1?
1-1-1. I think maybe it's 2-1-1. I don't know.